Frustrated, confused, lacking confidence, producing mediocre results. That was the story of my life. It took me 15 long, lonely years of doing over 15,000 procedures to truly figure out the ins and outs of tattooing. I'm Tina Davies, a permanent makeup artist, designer, and permanent makeup industry expert. You know me as the artist who created the eye-loving pigment line and disposable microblades that are used and loved by artists worldwide. Now our industry is even more competitive than ever, and customers are looking for the best artists to entrust their faces with. The fact is, the road to mastery is long, and I know how much harder it is if you don't have the right guidance. It can cost years of struggle. There are many great places to learn the fundamentals, but you can't master something in a week. There needed to be a better way for artists to continue to refine their craft. At The Collective, we've collaborated with the industry's most experienced and artistic instructors to bring you their knowledge and unique approaches through accessible online education without breaking the bank or having to travel and leave your family or business. With The Collective, you'll discover, get inspired, elevate your skills at your own pace. There's no right way to do art. That's why we have a variety of instructors and techniques so you can discover and learn what's best for you. The Collective is the educational experience that I wish I had, and hopefully we can help you get inspired and shorten your learning curve. We're moving the needle together. See you in class.